Hey, what's up YouTube? This is your boy ICH3 Tech coming at you with another video. I'm dropping some bangers this week, and from here on out, dropping some bangers for you guys. Just is the new Airpods. These ain't the Pros. It's just the new Airpods with MagSafe. This with MagSafe charger. These are the new ones. They look just like the AirPod Pros, but these ones is AirPods just with MagSafe. I done bought a cover case to go with it to get on it, because I usually put these cover case on mine. Like this is the AirPod Pros, but I put them in this protected case with like my locker or something, put on my head, just to make sure I maintain everything. I'm going to do a comparison to this, but let's get right into it. Unboxing of this thing. It was already open, so that little tag that got ripped in there. So you get your files, you get all your paperwork. Get your paperwork here. So that's what you get on the side. You get that, and you get your AirPods here, and you can tell by the size that the Pros pretty much swallows it. We're gonna have that right there, and we're gonna get that out the way. And it comes with some USB Type-C to Lightning. USB Type-C to Lightning. You get those with it. I usually have a whole bunch of those, so I don't even use them. I just put them to the side. So I'm going to do that there. Put those there, put this to the side. See right here. But yeah, these are the new AirPod Pros, and you can see by the looks, and I'm pretty sure it's made by Apple in California. And it looks sort of like the AirPod Pros casing. It actually really do. So this is like pretty dope here. So my stuff is, sorry about that. I try to change the settings and stuff on it. So I'm gonna give you guys an idea, like comparison of my AirPod Pros, taking those apart. So these ones I use pretty much, I use these a lot since I got it, since they dropped, the AirPod Pros. And then you can see, dropped it. You can see they almost made like the same, but you can see the difference right there, a little bit smaller than the Pros case. Pretty much everything is made the same. I might custom make mines, because if you can see on this one, these are pretty, could tell they've been used and had casing and stuff like that on it, dropped. Like I never dropped it, but you can see by everything on there. So I'm actually going to take this AirPod out and this one, so you could get an idea, on a autofocus, so you can see the difference between them. They almost made just the same on them for comparison. Let me see if I get close up for you, so you can see the difference on them. One thing I do like is this rubber part. If I have it in my ear too long, it do hurt my ear. I think the rubber part, I think I'm allergic to some too, because I mess with my ear. But I actually like this part here, what they did to it. It do look like that little thing on they made before when they made these out. That grass. I think it was. I forgot what the game was called, but you can leave a comment below. You remember what the game is. But I know I'm a little late to the show with the AirPod Pros. AirPods. I just wanted to get my opinion on them, what I think about them. for comparison from a person going from the Pros to the AirPods. I know they've got noise cancellation. I really don't care about the noise cancellation. I don't really use the noise cancellation. But to me, I feel like if you don't have noise cancellation, it should like block out the background for you and the background for the person you're talking to. Because I've been doing things and they said people tell me they still can hear people in the background on there. So the noise cancellation, I feel like don't even work that good. But I want to see what these feel like in my ear. So I'm going to try them out. Oh, these feel pretty good. And I can shake my head, nothing's gonna fall out. And you can see my hand, I'm gonna slap the side of my ear, nothing comes out. These actually fits pretty good in my ear. I actually like these a little bit better than these ones. Wow, that fits pretty good. It's like it molded into my ear. And they got the same charm as the one on mine's here, and this one tells you it's left, and I realized on this it tells you left too. So they both tell you what AirPod goes in which. So left with left, so you can see the comparison. I'm thinking I like to probably custom make mine. I think I'm gonna cover it. Oh, dropped them already. I think I'm gonna cover mine up with the tape around all the stuff I want to do, and then customize it, probably make it blue or something like that, or customize it. But I actually really like it. I want to hear the bass and stuff. That's the biggest thing with me is the bass. I want to see if the bass is real good on them. And let's get right into it. So I use this casing for the AirPod Pros. So I just basically just have that casing, and then I just slap this one on top. You can get at your local store, like T-Mobile store, Apple store, you get these. But this is the case I'm using, the brand. Let's see here. So you get this focus. But this is the brand, full protection, easy, and portable, and high quality, and something you want. And it's actually true, it is something you want. I actually already opened it, so I already set it up. It's actually just a plastic thing that goes inside, so I actually wanted to have it already set up to go in there. Let me get this earpiece in there. So, and then you just take this plastic part and you just massage it in until it gets in there. One thing I like about this is that back piece, it don't come off. Like it's stuck on there, so. That's right on there. Let me actually go up more and then push down. There we go. So my favorite color is blue, so you probably know that by my channel and stuff like that, blue and orange and gray. And you actually could just put that in there like that too, like push it back, and then you get the full part. So I'd rather when you put it in, just push these back here in the back so it can go in there real good, and then you got your carrying part. And I usually clip this onto my hip or something like that so I won't lose them. But you can see the big difference between them with the casing, on both of these. And I had to pick up one of these. It was just like a few bucks. I picked it up for it. And I think for the price of this headphones and the quality, I think it's really nice. Because you could for this price, you actually could pick up the Beats ones. But I actually like the way Apple ones in my ear. And I wish they made them like in different colors instead of just one flat color. But you go to other companies that make them in different colors and everything else like that. But I just want to say, thank you for watching. And we are on the road to 5,000. Let's get up there. And there's other videos I'm going to be dropping, and especially Team C. I'm actually going to be on that, dropping some videos on that, and leaving a link for donations and everything else like that to help clean up the world and the ocean. But It's your boy ICH3 Tech. A nice little quick unboxing, something a little light, something just different. I'm trying to see if I can drop a couple videos for you guys, and tell me if you like the video. If you like it, hit that subscribe button right here. I think it's right here or right here. One of the two. Where is it at? It's free to hit it, and also hit that like button because the algorithm, it actually keep me in the loop of all my algorithm of just me being in, get seen and helping the channel. I have links and everything to the channel to help support your channel, and also a lot of things I'm gonna be doing. And also I am still doing a giveaway on the PlayStation, and it's hard to find one. It's very, very tough to find one without paying overpriced for it. And like I said before, I don't want to give cash to someone. I really just want to give the console to someone, because that's the whole reason why I'm doing a giveaway. Not a cash giveaway, but a console giveaway. And this is coming out of my own pocket, so it's like nothing I did a raffle for or anything else like that. Like, comment, subscribe. If you like the product, if you think about investing in one of them, be honest with you, the way it fits in my ear. This is just my opinion. I don't know your type of way. If you like these ones better, the way it fit in your ear, or you like these. But me, I'm not more of a rubber person. So the rubber on this AirPods, I really ain't a fan of it, the rubber on there. But I love the way they made these ones without the rubber on it. That's one thing. That was a big, big must for me. I'm going to be letting these ones go, probably to my twin sister or something like that. She need AirPods, or my niece. Especially what I'm be doing. But like I said before, guys, I wanted to say thank you for watching. We're on the road to 5,000, 10,000. That's my goal for the end of the year. Let's keep it going. I'm still going to be doing tech. I'm still going to be doing cars, and I'm still going to be doing vlogs. And it's all about me. So, and also, in one of my videos that you're going to see probably before this one, I'm going to say I got in there that I'm setting up an office, and I need your guys' help. So tell me which one you like, and also what should I put in my office to set up the theme and everything for the channel and everything else like that. Thank you for watching. It's your boy ICH3 Tech, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.